In this video, we will show you how to join Bluesky Social. If you guys want to get started with Bluesky, you can use the links down in the description. Bluesky is a new invite-only social network that's gaining popularity. It aims to be a decentralized alternative to platforms like Twitter. This means users have more control over their data and experience. The most common way to join Bluesky is with an invite code. You can ask friends or colleagues if they have an invite code to spare. Once you have an invite code, visit the Bluesky website or bsky.app to create your account. You'll need to provide your invite code, email address, and a chosen handle or username. Bluesky is primarily a mobile experience. Download the Bluesky app from the App Store iOS or Google Play Store Android. Now open the app and log in using the account you created. Next, personalize your profile, add a profile picture, write a bio, and choose a header image. Bluesky has a familiar interface if you've used Twitter. You can post short messages or skates, follow other users, and engage in conversations. After that, explore different communities and discover people who share your interests. So that's how to join Bluesky Social. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Bluesky. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving me a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.